In the world of business accounting, two names are making headlines: TallyPrime and Suvit. Which one really delivers? On the left, the trusted classic TallyPrime. Simple, powerful, reliable. And on the right, the AI-powered newcomer, Suvit, automation designed for CAs and Tally users. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, before we start tossing pros and cons around, here's our mind map for today. We'll pit TallyPrime and Suvit head-to-head across automation and intelligence, integration and ecosystem, reporting and analytics, collaboration and workflow, GST and compliance, price and value, and deployment and usability. That's a ton to cover, but honestly, in 2025, you got to know what you're signing up for. First up, let's talk automation and intelligence. So TallyPrime does automate voucher and ledger entries and has batch processing, which is pretty good, but it kind of stops there. You still need to manually import data from various sources, and honestly, we're not seeing any fancy AI here. Now, Suvit, whole other world. We're talking AI-powered data migration, Excel, PDF, even images, all right into Tally. Plus, there are over 30 AI validation checks to keep your entries error-free. And, oh, this is cool, automated client reminders via WhatsApp. There's a learning curve, sure, but the power here is next level. So yeah, Suvit clearly takes the lead here. Switching gears to integration and ecosystem. TallyPrime is a classic. It's tightly woven into Indian tax laws, and pretty much every SME uses it. Big plus. But Cloud Sync? It's a bit meh, and forget about native WhatsApp or via PAR connections. Suvit, on the other hand, you get seamless integration with both Tally and via PAR, and even client portal sync, WhatsApp, and cloud access. The one caveat, it's built mainly as a Tally add-on, so you still need Tally running. But in terms of pure ecosystem reach, Suvit's got it covered. Let's talk reporting and analytics. TallyPrime standards are solid. Basic business reports, compliance, and you can customize to some extent. However, dashboards aren't super flexible, so if you like to tweak your visuals, you may feel a little boxed in. With Suvit, seriously, it's like reporting on steroids. Custom dashboards, AI checks to validate compliance in real time, and instant error detections with audit trails. If you like to see all your data sliced and diced, this one's for you. Suvit's ahead in this department. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Suvit's AI can actually process invoices sent via WhatsApp and post them directly to Tally. No manual entry, no fuss. I mean, that's pretty wild when you think about how much time that saves. Okay, on to collaboration and workflow. TallyPrime lets you set up multi-user access, but only on a local network, so yeah, not ideal if your team's scattered or remote. No real-time cloud collaboration, and forget automated workflows, it's all manual. But Suvit, real-time cloud collaboration, automated WhatsApp reminders, even a portal for your clients so you're not ping-ponging emails all day. Honestly, if you're working as a team or with a lot of clients, Suvit makes life so much easier. GST and compliance. This one's super important. TallyPrime has advanced GST support, lets you manage TDS, TCS, and payroll compliance, which is pretty essential for all businesses. Downside, you're doing manual checks for errors. On Suvit, you get smart AI-powered GST and TDS filing, and compliance is automated and rule-based. But here's the thing. Its deepest features will help CAs and big firms the most. So both strong, just depends on your need. This round is a tie. Now, price and value. Here's where things get interesting. TallyPrime offers one-time licenses and yearly subscriptions, which means, especially for solo accountants or SME owners, you get a ton of value without biting into your wallet. The only catch? Extra costs if you go wild with add-ons or need multi-location setups. Suvit, on the flip side, can save you hours, which is great for big firms, but it's an extra cost on top of Tally and is fully subscription-based. So if you're penny pinching or solo, TallyPrime is your best bet. Last but not least, deployment and usability. TallyPrime lives on Windows, whether on-premise or with somewhat limited cloud access. Offline? Totally possible. Want to use on Linux or Mac? Yikes. Only if you're up for some virtualization gymnastics. Suvit's web-based, totally cloud-accessible, and mobile-friendly. So you can hop in from pretty much anywhere. Only catch is you need internet to use all its features. Both have their quirks, but honestly, it's a tie. The choice depends on how your team works. So you can see the scores trending across the radar chart. The gap in automation and collaboration is huge. Price, though, is where TallyPrime holds its own. Reports, integrations, and analytics, Suvit's got a clear upper hand for modern firms. To wrap this up, TallyPrime is basically the backbone of Indian accounting. Reliable, deeply compliant, and a favorite for solo accountants and SMEs who want something straightforward. If you need automation, AI, data migration, or team features, Suvit amps Tally up in all the ways classic accounting software just can't. So if your workflow is wild, you want less manual effort and more smart features, Suvit's your go-to. For tradition and stability, TallyPrime stands strong. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next